at least good to here? Okay. Multiplying by 2 gives us 6 and 10. Does our inequality change? Okay. Subtracting 7 should give us -1 and 3. Does our inequality change?
No.
Okay. Multiplying by -3 gets us 3 and -9. Who's bigger? Interesting. Okay, add 5. Who's bigger? Okay. Divide by 4 gives us 2 and -1. Okay. Subtracting 2 gives us 0 and -3. Divide by -1. Who's bigger? Interesting. The only times the inequality changed was when?
Multiplying or dividing
By a
Negative number.
Okay, because here we multiplied by a positive number and it didn't change, right? If we multiply or divide by a negative number, our inequality sign changes.
No, it didn't. Yeah, after, no, it didn't. After it was still the same. What? No.
Look, I went from greater than and then to...
Oh, you're talking about, okay. You're right.
I am always right.
No, you're
Go ahead and turn to page 40.
No, you're not, Miss. You're not always right. No one's always right.
Yeah, you said you were going to mess up.
Not even Grace.
I'm always
Yeah, you
right.
messed up.
Hey, Ethan. Slam dunks only.
Hey, now. You don't recall they say I'm like that.
All right.
I can touch back for it. I can always touch back.
All right. So this is what we've learned. We have learned that we can multiply or divide both sides of our inequality by a positive number, and our inequality is still equivalent. I was talking about this, of course. We have also now figured out that if we multiply or divide by a negative, then our inequality sign has to flip in order to maintain true. Based on what we just did, I showed you with that activity, with that activity, we literally saw the sign have to flip when we multiplied or divided by a negative. So we are physically going to have to flip the sign if we multiply or divide by a negative number. Okay, so let's talk about number 1 on the extra practice. Top of page, the next one. I have a question. Grady, the mind reader. What do we need to do to both sides?
Divide by 6.
Okay, am I dividing by a negative number? No, which means our inequality sign is going to remain the same. X is less than -5. Jackson, you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't sure if you had a question. Okay. Now, go to number 4. Your homework is a worksheet, so just stop.
Is it graded?
Yes.
Remember that one time you got that one worksheet that wasn't graded?
Exactly.
Can we just do one thing at a time? Okay. In number 4, what do we need to do to both sides?
Divide by -4.
And since we are dividing by a negative number,
You have to flip it.
we are going to flip the inequality sign. And -16 divided by -4 is 4.
Sandy,
I didn't either.
but you gave me a scary look.
Apparently I'm scary.
Very. Nicole, you're the scariest teacher on our team because you're the only one that yells at
That is not true.
Miss Ripple yelled at you. Yeah, Miss
I
Ripple.
was gonna say, I know Miss Ripple's gotten on
Miss
your
Ripple
case.
yelled at me a few times.
Okay.
Miss Ripple moved me a few days ago.
Yeah.
So I have a question about number 3. Jonah, how do I get rid of this 3/7?
Multiply by 7.
We're gonna multiply by 7.
Over
Okay.
3. Yeah.
Is that a positive or a negative number that I'm multiplying by?
Positive.
Okay, so our inequality sign is not gonna change. So -42 divided by 21. Okay. Now, those of you who like to have the variable on the left, we can rewrite it to f and -2 change places, and we need to make sure that our inequality sign is still staying open the correct way.
I would be something
How about you try number 5 and see what you get? Parent-teacher conferences doesn't have to be the first time I contact parents.
It isn't for a while though, right?
Yeah,
Like
how long?
October,
Oh gosh.
like 8th.
Miss Holman, that's one day before my birthday. Don't get me in trouble before my birthday. That
Yeah,
happened
don't.
last
get
year.
yourself
That
in
happened
trouble.
last year.
I don't get anybody in trouble.
Well, you have to say that we're all doing everything in this class.
I'm not a liar.
And we all have.
I got failed. I got this.
Okay, Liliana, what should we do to both sides? Multiply by -6. So these cancel out. Gracie, what is 1/3 times -6?
Wait, were we supposed to flip it?
Wait, how do you? Wait.
18.
Do you?
Is it -6 over 3?
Which is?
2. -2.
Would you stop writing our
Stop.
Okay, so here's the deal. When I say Gracie, I want Gracie to answer the question, not 5 other people. Grady was not the only one. Don't call him out.
Exactly, bro.
Now, Liliana asks, do we flip the inequality sign? What is our answer to her? We multiplied by a negative number. So, yep, we are flipping that guy.
Not a
He
parallel.
starts stabbing me with his pencil, and then I hit him back, and then I'm the one that gets.
Maybe you should just keep your hands to yourself anyway.
He
Stop.
blows me first, and then I slap him back.
Okay. Let's go to the next page. Okay, I want to talk about number 7. Only because I worry about your arithmetic on this one. Isla, what do we need to do to both sides to get x by itself? What'd you say?
Multiply by -4. I'm on 5.
Divide by -4. Oh my goodness. How am I going to take -2/3 and divide it by 4?
Make it a decimal.
You keep 4 over 1 and then you times it by negative. Keep change flip.
Okay. Do not use keep change flip. I'm not. Okay. First of all, we are keeping -2/3. But then we are dividing by -4, which is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. Don't say it. We have graduated from that.
So we keep it.
Read the room.
Come on.
It's not mathematically.
Correct.
I know. And we're 8th graders, and we're going to use mathematical vocabulary. Multiply by the reciprocal. So we get negative. No, is it negative? 8 over 12. Which is?
Miss Alden, I thought you didn't make mistakes.
Let's testing you, Grady. So what's our fraction? So 1/6, and x is over here. And I have to flip the sign because I'm divided by a negative.
And then you flip it back.
Hold on, I can't hear the question. What? Multiplying or dividing by a negative, we have to flip the sign. That's not what I was. What is your question, Grady?
What question?
Oh, I heard you talking. I thought you had a question.
No, I said yes, finally.
To what?
I am not touching this.
Number 8.
Hi, Miss Owen.
Can we come in?
I'm still teaching. Sorry.
Can we just sit here and watch?
There's too
Yes,
many.
yes.
See if I remember this.
No.
Let's see if I remember this.
No, go back. Go back to your class. I'm sorry. Okay. How do I get x by itself?
What do you do? Simplify.
Avery, what do we do to both sides? Jackson.
Multiply by the reciprocal.
Let's multiply by the reciprocal. So x, we multiplied by a negative, so we're going to flip the sign. And we get 10 over 4.
2 1/2.
What are you confused about?
Why can't we just write
How
2
did we get
and 1/2?
-2 times -5 to 5/2?
Because you have to multiply by the other. By the reciprocal.
10 over 4. Oh, then it's 5/2. I get it now. Thank you, Miss Owen.
Yep.